Class 7 SST Climates of India. Chapter Overview. Weather, Seasons, Climate. Weather, day-to-day atmospheric conditions, for example temperature, rain, etc. Climate, long-term weather pattern in a region. Seasons, periods of the year with specific climate characteristics. India's major seasons are winter, December to February, summer, March to May, monsoon or rainy, June to September, retreating monsoon, October to November. Types of climates in India. Tropical wet, that is hot and humid, for example Kerala. Tropical dry, hot and dry, for example Rajasthan. Subtropical humid, summers and winters, for example northern plains. Mountain climate, cool to cold, for example in Himalayas. Factors determining the climate. Latitude, places near the equator in southern India are warmer. Northern areas experience a seasonal variation due to tilt of the earth. Altitude, higher altitude means cooler climate. For example, Simla is cooler than Delhi. Proximity to the sea. Coastal areas, for example Mumbai, Chennai, have moderate humid climate. Inland areas have extreme temperatures. Winds, monsoon and local winds affect rainfall and temperature. Topography, hills and forests influence rainfall and temperature patterns. Windward side means heavy rain, leeward side means dry. The monsoons. Monsoon means seasonal winds bringing rain. Southwest monsoon in June to September, moist winds and heavy rain. Northeast monsoon, October to December, dry winds, rain only in east or south India. Influences agriculture, water supply and daily life. Climate and our lives. Climate affects farming and food, festivals like Pongal, Bihu, migration and economy. Traditional knowledge helps predict weather. Climates and disasters. Cyclones, violent rotating storms from low pressure systems over seas, cause flooding and destruction, managed by IMD and NDRF. Floods, excess water due to rainfall or glacial melt. Urban floods due to poor drainage and overbuilding. Landslides, sudden collapse of soil or rocks in hilly areas, triggered by rain, deforestation, construction. Forest fires, caused by dry weather, lightning or human activity, destroys biodiversity, worsens air quality. Climate change, long-term shift in global or regional climate patterns, causes pollution, deforestation, fossil fuels. Effects, extreme weather, melting glaciers, rising seas. We can help by planting trees, saving energy and reducing waste. Suggested activities are map marking, festival chart, poster making and quiz.